Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. I'm going to do a video today on repairing a horizontal wooden blind. This is it. Probably about 15, 16 years old, and where the point now has a wand on it and a series of 6 strings, and normally when you turn the wand, it's in the closed position right now. You turn the wand and these should be tilting, and they're not. So there's a mechanism in here that's gone bad. I went to the site that shows you how to repair blinds. It's called Fix My Blinds. It's at 615 Conrad Street, Colorado Springs, and came in this package, in a plastic bag, and it's this piece here. There's the receipt for it. You go on their site and they give you lots of different options to look at to help figure out what's wrong with your blind, and then the various types of parts that you'll need. And we determined we need what's called the tilt mechanism, and it'll go like this, because we think the teeth, and I'll show that when I get it apart, on this have worn either there or here on the worm gear, and it's not catching. So first we have to take the blind down, and I need to get it in the open position, so it's going to take 2 hands. So I had to do it manually. So now we'll raise the blind, and this has 3 strings on it, so you can adjust the angle of the blind. That's probably enough. So to remove it, you need to take off these end caps that hold the valance on. And there's one on each end. And then we can take this valance off, and it's just held on by these clips. Plastic clips. So lay it down there. And then the covering of the blind is held on through these clamps on the end. And then this just pulls out like so. And I'll use 2 hands to do that. Okay, I've removed it and laid it down on my table here. I'm going to remove the wand. Just comes off like that. Now we can look into the inside of the mechanism, and this is the tilt mechanism here. Apparently this just slides out. A little box like structure. And here's the lift mechanism. And this just slides onto the hexagon shaped rod. Now we have to get this out. Okay, we pulled this out. I had to pull this rod out of this slot here and free up this so we could pull this off of it. So now we're ready to put the new one back on. Oh, there we go. Okay.
You rotate it. You rotate this. This rotates that.
Okay. And you have to slide the whole thing back into the slot, right?
Mm-hmm. So it fits. You just have to get this back in.
So we need to slide the rod this way. Okay.
Yeah. I think it's on.
Okay, we think we've got it. So
You need to show how it comes through that hook side.
okay, so we'll try hanging it back up and see if it works. To slide the volume back up into the brackets. The brackets are fully open. Okay. Yeah, push the bracket in more. That there, yeah, right there.
It's down all the way.
No, it's not in the groove, but it's close enough. These have a groove that they go into, but we're going to try it now, so we won't worry about that. Okay, let's put the rod on. Okay. I guess we'll let the blind down.
Might not work without this piece in there. Yeah.
Okay, it's working. It's a little tight right there though for some reason. We left out this end piece. That may have something to do with the spacing or something. But that's basically the way it goes. Okay, I slid the box-like piece back into the end of this. And we rotate it. And it's working as normal now, so it was a success. We'll put the end pieces on. Can you reach it? Okay, now that I have the broken part removed, as I turn the rod here, you can see the little wheel. Try to turn, and then that propels the tilt, but it slips because this right here is worn too much and it doesn't mesh in with the little spiked wheel that the rod fits through. Probably can't see that very well, but I got it from Fix My Blinds. And its item is 1, and it's TILTER-031 heavy duty wand tilt mechanism for low profile head rails with a 1/4 inch hexagon hole. And on their site they show you how to measure all this and figure out what your problem is. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. This is my 301st video, so I have lots of these kind of videos working on blinds and lots of things around the house, appliances, TVs, generators, mowers, power tools. I've installed some solar panels, so lots of things to look at. So this is Old John signing out.